So it's really important that we stay aligned with the market and customers. And really the way we do that is by using customers to drive our backlog. We built our V1 by talking to customers, by hearing about use cases and thinking about ways that computer vision and a platform like Kibsi could solve it. And V2, V3, V4, every iteration, every feature is really driven off of some customer challenge. It'd be really great if I could, for example, count products that are coming off a conveyor belt because I have a discrepancy in my inputs and outputs. That caused us to build the counting feature in Kibsi. It'd be really great if I knew there was movement in an area because lack of movement indicates a stoppage. That caused us to build an enhancer in our platform to detect motion and movement in a specific area. What are ways that we can generalize these problems so that we can solve problems for that specific customer, but also the broader community? When we get a feature like that and we put it in the platform, it becomes available for everyone, which means everyone gets the benefit, everyone provides the feedback, and the platform grows that much faster and that much more robustly. So I've been lucky enough to lead teams for a fair bit of my career at this point. I'm always learning something new about how to best lead and how to best lead by example. And I think one of the key things is giving people a sense of ownership and stake. So one way we do that, for example, is by giving everyone the broader scope. When we're working on something, it's never an isolation of, hey, I need this feature for X, Y, and Z. It's, hey, someone has a problem. How would you go about solving it? And I feel like having people, especially engineers, consider problems from the perspective of a customer allows them to be more creative, allows them to provide more feedback into the product, makes them better engineers, and makes them owners. I know for me in my career that's really what will help me, thinking the way where I'm not just given a task, but I'm given a problem, really helped me kind of grow as a developer and eventually as a leader. That's the way I work with a team, and I think they enjoy it. I think they all do well in that environment, and I've definitely seen, even in our young 2 years here, lots of growth. I love seeing the output of software. There's still excitement in seeing something that you've helped conceptualize, whether it's through creating user stories or talking to developers or guiding a UI design session, seeing that idea solve a problem. And for me, Kibsi isn't a software for the sake of software, right? That's sort of the worst thing. What I really love about it is when a customer comes to us and has a brand new problem, something we've never considered before, and we go, cool, we can solve that because we have these primitives that we can put together, solve something. So I love that. I love seeing the ideas that we had a year ago where we had no concept of a problem we might solve, actually go and solve a problem. That's really satisfying.